Welcome back to everyone who's coming back to this channel, and welcome to all the new people. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel so you can keep learning Haitian Creole. Let's go ahead and get started with today's lesson. Today is a part 2 of the numbers. Today we are going to learn the numbers 21 to 40. If you have not seen the previous numbers, you can check out this channel for the previous lesson as well as the previous numbers so you can learn the numbers 1 through 20 in Haitian Creole. Let's go ahead and get started. So numbers are ni, me, wo. Ni, me, wo. 21, 21, 21, 21, 22, 22, 22, 23, 23, 23, 23, 24, 24, 24, 25, 25, 25, 25, 26, 26, 26, 26, 27, 27, 27, 27, 28, 28, 28, 28, 29, 29, 29, 30, 30, 30, 30, 31, 31, 31, 31, 32, 32, 32, 33, 33, 33, 33, 34, 34, 34, 34, 35, 35, 35, 35, 36, 36, 36, 36, 37, 37, 37, 37, 38, 38, 38, 38, 39, 39, 39, 39, 40, 40, 40, 40. This concludes today's lesson. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel so you can keep learning Haitian Creole.